In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Dropbox not syncing with storage. If Dropbox has stopped syncing your files properly, the issue is usually caused by a few common things like pause syncing, a weak internet connection, or not enough storage space either in Dropbox itself or on your device. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes by going through a few simple checks. First, check whether Dropbox syncing has been paused. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar. On a Mac, click it in the menu bar. Once the Dropbox panel opens, look for a message that says Paused Syncing. If you see that, simply click Resume Syncing. This is one of the easiest fixes and it's often overlooked. Next, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open any browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge and try loading a website. If pages are not loading, or if everything feels very slow, Dropbox may not be able to upload or download your files. In that case, restart your Wi-Fi router and wait a moment for the connection to come back. If needed, switch to a mobile hotspot to test whether the issue is related to your network. After that, check your storage space. Start with Dropbox itself by going to the Dropbox website and checking how much storage you've used. If your account is full, syncing can stop until space is available again. Delete any files you no longer need to free up room. Then check your computer or phone as well. If your device is low on available storage, Dropbox may also struggle to sync properly, even if your online account still has space. If everything looks fine so far, restart the Dropbox app. Right. Click the Dropbox icon and choose to quit Dropbox completely. Then reopen it from the Start menu on Windows or from Applications on a Mac. Restarting the app can clear minor glitches and force it to reconnect. If that still doesn't solve the problem, sign out of Dropbox and then log back in. Open the Dropbox app, go into Settings, click Sign Out, and then log in again. This can refresh your session and resolve account-related syncing issues. Finally, check your selective sync settings. Click the Dropbox icon, open Preferences, and go to the Sync section. Make sure the folders you want are actually selected for syncing. Sometimes files seem missing simply because those folders were excluded. Go through these fixes one by one, and in most cases, Dropbox should start syncing again normally.